Good morning, good evening, and this guy asked me a really nice question. So let me share my secret that how you can optimize your Windows 10 or 11 to get more FPS, and especially those people who are actually facing issues about high CPU usage. I will show you how to fix these issues on your computer to get more performance for gaming. So let's start without any further ado. But before we start, I have a very small request. About 98% people who watch my videos do not subscribe. I know we are just started. I request you to subscribe so we can grow as a YouTube community. If you are facing a high CPU usage issue, remember you can see my full specification in the description down below, but I have a very decent processor. But in case if you're using a laptop or a little bit older processor, it might be the case that your CPU utilization is already more than 50-60% or maybe up to 100%, even there is no game running. So let me show you how you can fix that. To fix that, just press your window key plus R and just type msconfig, and here is the msconfig. I will put this command in the description down below. Just hit OK. It will open this system configuration menu. Don't worry, I will not tell you anything that can break your system, so don't worry, you can follow these instructions. So just go to boot section, go to the advanced section, and here you will see number of processor. So you can unlock this. Don't worry, this is safe. You can click over it and you can select maximum. In my case, my processor has 12 threads, so I can select 12 and I can select OK from here, and I can also apply from here. Okay, next one, you need to go to the startup and you can click on the open task manager, and you can also go directly from clicking on your bottom bar and clicking on the start task manager and go to start apps. This is the same one, but you can go from here. These are those apps that automatically starts whenever our computer or Windows is just boot up. So we don't want these apps to start automatically, because if they start automatically, they can consume our processor, RAM. It can affect negatively on our computer performance. So we will be disabling those services that are not important for us, like they should not start automatically. So if you start them manually, there will be no effect on that, but they will not start automatically whenever your computer boot up. So in my case, you can sort it from the status. So in my case, MSI Center is enabled, and for FX Sound, which is a sound application for me to use equalizer, that is enabled, and rest of every application that is available here, I have disabled it. Disable all those services that are not necessary, so we can save the system and we can redirect the system performance to the application that we only want to use. We are pretty much done over here. You can close the task manager, and for the system configuration, you can hit an OK. Okay, now let's move on to the next part, and you need to search over here as power plan in your search menu. This is best shortcut to go. I have just searched the power plan. So here an option, choose a power plan. Click over here, and here you will see different power plans. So in my case, I have ultimate performance. It might not be available for you. If high performance and balance is available for you, go for the balance or high performance. I will highly recommend go for the ultimate option if it's available. In case there is no other option other than power saving is available, make sure your chipset drivers are installed and they're up to date, and also your graphics driver are installed and these are up to date. So most of the cases, if any of the high performance or ultimate performance is not available to you, or install your chipset drivers, these option will be available for you. So if there is an ultimate performance, just click on the ultimate performance. So and then we need to go over to change plan settings. So let's suppose you have selected your ultimate performance mode. Just click on the plan setting. Remember, these changing plans will affect your battery life in case you are using laptop. In case you are using laptop, I will highly recommend go for the balance mode. So let me show you. Then let's click over change advanced power settings. This is the important setting. A new dialog will appear. So we will be changing settings over here. So let's go directly to the processor power management. click over here and click the plus button from here. Click the minimum processor state, set it to 0. That is totally safe. The next is power, that is a maximum power state, set it to 100%. So we are pretty much done over here. Now the next thing that is totally optional. In my case, I am using MSI B550A Pro and I have an extra utility application that is supported by Motherboard that gave me an access to an memory cleaner. Like whenever I want to start gaming, I like clean my memory. So this is actually like help to clear those services and applications that are running in the background to free up like an extra RAM for us. But this application might not be available for you. To let me know, I have an alternative for that, but to let me know if we need to make a video on that. So let me show you. For example, we have a usage of 36% of my RAM, and I will go to hardware monitoring and there is an option to free up memory. I will click over here and it will start clearing the RAM. So in case like it's dropped down drastically to 23%, and you can feel the difference in the gaming especially. And previously it was I think 36%, now it's dropped to 23%. I'm still recording the video in OBS. If I'm not recording this after clearing this drop directly to about 16 to 17%, and that helps me in gaming. That is pretty much. Do let me know what you think about it, and that will definitely help you to reduce the load on your CPU, and that will also help you to regain a little bit more performance in gaming. Do let me know what you think about this video. If this helps a little bit, leave a like, and I'm setting a target of just 5 likes on this video, and do let me know what you think about it. And if it helps, just leave a like on this video. We will be meeting in the next video. Till that, bye.